Did you know that you can review and analyze data in SoundCheck without a paid license? Our demo viewer application lets you preview all of SoundCheck's features, including recalling, importing, saving, exporting, and printing data. It also allows you to implement statistical analysis, such as evaluating the mean curve from a group of frequency responses. You can also share measurements that you have made on the production line or in the lab with a colleague who doesn't have an active SoundCheck license or someone working from home without full access to their tools. The demo viewer is also useful for exploring SoundCheck features prior to purchase or teaching yourself SoundCheck skills without the financial outlay. You can establish temporary audio inputs and outputs within the hardware editor using your laptop's microphone array or a USB mic and a speaker or a headset and run example sequences that we provide. You can explore the various analysis options in SoundCheck, view sequences, and you can even experiment with creating your own sequences. What you cannot do without a paid license, however, is make accurate measurements. All measurements are randomized by up to plus or minus 5 dB. You also cannot save sequences or steps. Nevertheless, you can teach yourself a lot about how to use SoundCheck using the demo viewer and our vast library of free online training resources. If you already have SoundCheck installed on your machine, the SoundCheck demo viewer executable is in your installation directory. SoundCheck will also open in demo viewer mode if you open SoundCheck without the license key connected. If you would like a copy of SoundCheck to try out the demo viewer, please fill out the demo request form on our website and we'll send you a download link.